In this video, I will show you how you can transfer WhatsApp from your old Android phone to your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. As you can see, this is WhatsApp on our old Android phone, and I will transfer this WhatsApp with all of its data to our new Samsung phone. To do that, just go to your home screen and open Google Play Store on your Galaxy S26. And from here, just search this. Now just install WhatsApp on your Galaxy S26. Once WhatsApp is downloaded, then just open WhatsApp on both devices. Now on your old Android phone, just tap on the three dots over here and go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Chats. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option for Transfer Chats. Now just tap on it and select Start. Now it will show a code on the screen. Now on your Galaxy S26, just tap on Agree and Continue and select Allow. Now in this section, just enter the phone number which is linked with your WhatsApp. After you enter the phone number, then tap on Next and select Yes. Now in this section, just enter the code which is shown on the screen of your old Android phone. On your old Android phone, just tap on Continue, then select Continue. Select while using the app, and it will open the camera app. Now on your Galaxy S26, just tap on Continue and select Allow. Now just select Allow All, then tap on Continue and select Allow, and it will show a QR code on the screen. Now just scan this QR code using your old Android phone. Now after you scan this QR code, it will take a few seconds for your old Android phone to transfer all the data from your WhatsApp to your new Samsung phone. And once the process is completed, then just tap on Done and select Next. As you can see, we are logged out from our old WhatsApp. Now on the Galaxy S26, just complete the setup process. Just enter your name, then tap on Next. Just select the email address which you want to link with this WhatsApp. I will select this one, then tap on Continue and select Next. Now you can either tap on Done or you can select Not Now. And as you can see, we have successfully transferred WhatsApp from our old Android phone to our Galaxy S26. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.